What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. We're just waiting literally for the same thing to get this bounce that we're anticipating because we got very overextended from these EMAs. We need to come back to them. So overextended, you haven't even hit the 12. And so that's what's probably going to happen today. It's lining up nicely with 31k. So when we kiss that, what's going to happen? Are we going to close below it? If so, we're going to roll over. If we close above it, we're going to get this impulse to 32.4k to the 20 EMA. That's what we're waiting for on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, well, let me just tell you where the 55 is in and around the top of this range. Now going to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we're being kept down by this 55-hour double brick wall, and we've just kissed it there with the shooting star. That basically means that we're going to come down into this newly formed bullish cross, but not the regular one. This is between the 12 and the 20 EMA. The 20 going under, signaling that we're in the short term going to get this pump, and we got that. And we've fallen back to this newly formed bullish cross. Now it's the time to break above this, because if you lose this, then we're going to roll over. If you break above this, you're going to go higher. So that is 30.7 and that is 29.8. Lose 29.8, we're going down. Break above 30.7k and we're going up, and you can see that would be validating this double bottom over here. But this would only be a short-term one, guys. So you'd pump into resistance. So we got the 200 EMA about 35k, and we got this falling wedge resistance at 36k. So don't forget, guys, any pump will at least end up, it might work in the short term, but not long term. So we're in a downtrend, and we're seeing this W pattern. So if we do meet our target, what happens next? We're most likely going to dump, and then it's important to hold that higher low. So we could come all the way back down to this support, and it's so key that we hold it to go again. So even though we're forming some sort of double bottom here, we could be forming an even larger double bottom using this small double bottom as your first leg of one. Come pump into resistance, find support higher. You could come down to here, but if we take off all the drawings, you can see where at the moment has had more support. Is it down here, or is it in and around this area? So it's the second, it's this area over here that's got more support, more strength. You had bounces from here, here, even here, and here, and over here you've only had one bounce. So more bounces. There's more touches of support over here than in the lower level. So I know that if we do lose this, and the signal is if we lose 29.8k, let's try and head lower to 28.8, and if we lose 28.8, we're going to head even lower, because again, this is a stronger support than this one. So it'd be easier to lose this if you're losing 28.8k. So hopefully that doesn't come. But yeah, we're seeing both patterns forming. We can see a bullish one, but we're also prepared for a bearish pattern. Can you see that double top? Everyone's so focused on this W. Of course, I want it to be a W as well, but we need to remember, even if it does go up and meet the target, we're in a downtrend, guys, so eventually we'll fall. And technically, because that would be a lower high, technically you would want a lower than this low, but it's not about that. Even though that's what should happen, we've seen multiple times that you could just come up and make a higher low and actually continue. So even though this would be a lower high, lower than these highs, if you just change the trend by putting in a higher low, higher than this low, and in line with this, or just higher, wherever it is, as long as it's higher than this low, and yeah, mainly as well this, because we know if we're losing this, you're most likely going to lose that. So yeah, we're just waiting to see if we're going to create a higher low, or are we going to actually make that lower low and go lower to 22k over here, one of our targets, and then finally to our 20/19k target for Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Please get in your super thanks, check out the memberships, and if you're interested in the mentorship or the course, I'll play the clip now. Thank you, guys.
And here are the crypto packages. Here is how to get started. Click the link to my Twitter, head over to the pinned post, and all you need to do is message under and just type, "Hey, Louis, I'm interested in the mentorship," and that's A-OK. Perfect, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.